create a fiery tribal horse design in Canva. So open Canva and then choose your project size and then add the background of your design. For example, I will choose this background. I will set like this and then add your main object. I will choose this horse. I will increase the size. I will rotate a little. Now I will download the cutout of this horse. So I will select the background and reduce the transparency to 0. And then click share, download, transparent background and click download. Now I need to download the background. So I will make it back to 100. But I will reduce the transparency of the horse to 0. And then click share, download, no transparent and click download. Now remove all these 2 elements and then upload the images that we just download. Select the background, go to apps and type cut, enter, and then choose image cutout maker here. Now select the horse, scroll down, click image and click use selected image. Scroll up, increase the size to fit the page, the size of the horse I mean. And then remove all these 2 elements. Scroll down here and add to design. Now increase the size. Go to element, add fire element like this. Increase the size. Send to back. Select the background. Go to edit. Scroll down to shadow. Choose drop. Reduce the blur amount. Reduce the distance. And then increase the size. Alright, so now you have it and then click share, download as PNG and click download. So this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.